Hello, and welcome to another episode in Gary's Food Review. I went down to Subway and I got the new premium cut turkey and bacon sub. And this premium Thanksgiving style cut turkey and bacon sub has lettuce, tomato, onion, cheddar cheese, black olives, and mayo and mustard on it. And this footlong costs $10. And they forgot to put the bacon on this sandwich, so it's just the thick cut turkey. So let's give this a try. Mmm. Nice Thanksgiving turkey style on this. Really good. So the sub is good and I enjoyed it. The turkey tastes like the Thanksgiving turkey the day after Thanksgiving. The cold turkey you put on a sandwich the day after Thanksgiving. Kind of tastes like that. Pretty good. But the sub isn't as great as the other subs. I still prefer the teriyaki or the meatball sub. But this was still good. So overall on the food taste scale, overall I have to give Subway's premium turkey cut sandwich a 7 out of 10. It's good and enjoyable, but I like the other subs a bit more. Anyways, this is it for now. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Until next time, catch you all later. Bye bye.